Meaning of inflatable bouncer.
Inflatable bouncer.
Inflatable bouncer.
Inflatable bouncer.
Inflatable bouncer. An inflatable bouncer is a type of recreational equipment that is designed for children to bounce and play on. It is made of durable materials such as PVC or vinyl, and inflated with air using an electric or manual pump. Inflatable bouncers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from small house-shaped ones to large castle-themed models. They are often used at parties, carnivals, and other events where children are present. Inflatable bouncers provide a safe and fun environment for kids to play, while also promoting physical activity and coordination development.